Have you ever pondered the inner workings of the human body, specifically the parotid gland? It's not something that comes to mind often, but it plays a crucial role in our everyday lives. Situated just in front of your ears, extending to the lower borders of your jawbone, you'll find the largest of your salivary glands, the parotid gland. Each of us has a pair, one on either side of our face, and they're responsible for producing saliva, which aids in the digestion of food and keeps our mouths moist. The parotid gland is a complex structure, roughly pyramidal in shape, and divided into two lobes by the facial nerve. This nerve, also known as the seventh cranial nerve, runs through the gland, further dividing it into a superficial lobe and a deep lobe. But the parotid gland isn't just a saliva factory. It's also a marvel of engineering, complete with its own duct system. The parotid duct, or Stenson's duct, is a tube that carries saliva from the gland into your mouth, typically opening near your upper second molar. This gland is also enveloped by a tough fibrous capsule and is nestled in a bed of fatty tissue, which provides some padding and protection. This fatty tissue also contains lymph nodes, tiny bean-shaped structures that are part of your immune system and help fight off infections. Now, let's not forget the blood supply. The external carotid artery and its branches provide the parotid gland with nutrient-rich blood. Venous blood, on the other hand, is drained by the retromandibular vein and the external jugular vein. The parotid gland also houses a network of nerves. The glossopharyngeal nerve, for instance, is responsible for the secretion of saliva. Meanwhile, the facial nerve provides the motor function to the facial muscles, and the great auricular nerve supplies sensation to the skin over the gland. In summary, the parotid gland is an intricate part of our anatomy that plays a critical role in our digestive and immune systems. It's a saliva-producing powerhouse, divided into two lobes by the facial nerve and equipped with a duct system for saliva transportation. Encased in a sturdy capsule and cushioned by fatty tissue, it also contains lymph nodes for fighting infections. Lastly, it's nourished by the external carotid artery and drained by the retromandibular and external jugular veins. So, the next time you enjoy a meal, remember the parotid gland and the intricate role it plays in your digestion. It's just one of the many unsung heroes of our remarkable human body.